She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting up like last week. Tell me, where have you been?
Hey, it's T. Marie. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're here, you have watched my lace frontal series parts 1, 2, and 3, and this is number 4. So in part 3, I showed you how to melt your lace frontal, and in this video, we're gonna style and slay this wig. I will be using my wand, which is a 1 inch to 1.5 inch. So I'm going to grab a small section of hair and wrap it around the wand. I'll hold it there for about 10 seconds, and boom, I have waves for days. This wand does get really hot. It goes up to 410 degrees, which is why I have the gloves on. Let me tell y'all, while I was making this video, me and this wand had a fight, and I lost because this thing burned the hell out of my forehead. So in my next video, if I have a scar, you know why. So I'm just grabbing another section, wrapping it around the wand, and I'm just gonna repeat this process. And while you're here, don't forget to push the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new content. Y'all remember that song from back in the day, that Nivea and what, R. Kelly? Laundromat? Yeah, who that over there? That's me. It's T. Yes. I really need to use this wand more often because I'm really loving these curls. I don't know. They like beach waves, giving me beach vibes and all of that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.